Good morning. Good morning. Y'all see me at my worst. Whew. Looking beat. Oh God. I basically just fell up the stairs, Lord. Oops. All right, so, oh man, I'm tired. I'm going to get an order together. It did open, okay, good. I'm going to get an order together for a same-day delivery. Woo, I'm tired. All right, so hopefully y'all ain't hearing this music in the background. Let me hurry up and get in my room. Woo, we made it. We made it, y'all. So I'm shipping a wig off today. It is that red one right up there. She purchased it online and contacted me just to ask me if I could deliver her wig for her today, last minute. Y'all know I do not be delivering stuff and I don't do stuff last minute, but she was willing to pay a same-day delivery fee to have it delivered to her today. She is 30 miles away, so we about to get on this road. I need to put my camera somewhere else so y'all can see it. Hopefully y'all can see it. Hopefully y'all can see me. Let me put y'all up, hold on. All right, you guys, so this is the wig. She is getting this burgundy wig. I am just gonna run through the flat iron really quick for her and her wig. So she purchased it online last night and she was like, oh my God, can you help me? I have a flight that I have to get to tomorrow night. Now the problem is she works at a hospital from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. So I'm like, I don't know how you about to get this wig by tomorrow before you leave to this flight, but we could work something out. So I am about to just run the flat iron through the wig really quickly because I have to hurry up, make it to her job at the hospital to deliver for her. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it. She did pay a fee for delivery, which I don't normally do, but if y'all ask for the right price, y'all will receive. So I don't know why. I don't know what happened, you know, why she was so last minute. Maybe she decided last minute, you know, I don't want to wear the way that my hair is now. Or maybe she thought, I don't know, but that's what we doing today. My husband is rolling with me, per usual, and we about to take a little quick trip this early morning. Luckily, today is my wig making day, so I'm able to just up and go today, thank God. So I'm just gonna do this quick little flat iron, package this wig up real quick, and get on the road. She's already laid. I don't really have to do anything to the top of her, and she's flat ironed, ready to go, y'all. All right, so let me get her together. All right, y'all, that's it. All right, pick that up, y'all. So now it's time to roll up out of here. It's like a real cloudy day today, which is always good because it's been real hot. Oh my God, and I'm so happy. Let's see if my husband saw me fall up the stairs. Oh my goodness. He gonna be like, I saw all that. And he gonna put it in the video when he edit this video. I already know. All right, we made it. I got all the drinks from my refrigerator. Whew. All right. We made it to the car. Ah! Thank you, sir. All your little drinks. I want to hear your mouth. Got the wig. We in. Let's roll. No, you good. Sorry about that. There we go. Yes, girl. Hey, you guys. So I am about to put this wig on my website. Look at her. She's giving me like a natural blowout kind of vibe. I am feeling her all the way. Ooh, she's so pretty. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put her on the website, you guys. Ooh, y'all. She is ready. I am about to add this wig onto the website. She is, I think she's like a 14-inch, and I definitely layered her up a lot. I want these curls to be bouncing in the streets. She is so cute, you guys. I am about to add this wig onto the website. She will be available. This is actually raw Vietnamese hair, wavy. I just straightened her, layered her really good, curled her up really well. She is ready. She's giving me all kind of natural blowout, ready to run the streets, boss lady,